All right, so today I'm at Kissimmee Lakefront Park. Kissimmee's a town that's closest to Disneyworld. It's a pretty big town, and this Lakefront Park here is a pretty nice place to come and visit if you're looking for something to do other than the parks for a little while. So let's check it out. So they do have a big lake here. It's called Lake Toho for short, and they have a boat launch. As you can see here, you can bring your boat to go fishing, launch it right here, and they have a little boardwalk there. You might be able to see a few people fishing over there. And there are private slips here. You can park your boat, or bring it here and just put it in and go fishing. This lake is very, very big, so there's lots of places out there. I'm sure you can find some good fish to catch. And they have large, wide bike path here, so you can come down here and walk, bike, skateboard. So I did park over here next to the marina. There's a parking area right there. It's free to park. Lots of grass area and for picnics. So they do have play areas for the kids. Over here they have a little water fountain place over here for the kids to play. Here you have a pretty good view of the size of the lake. This park went through some big upgrades in 2019 and it's beautifully kept. Here they have a little walking trail out to this little point where they have a little lighthouse. One thing you probably noticed here is these covered pavilions. There's a lot of them around here. A lot of them have barbecues next to them, seating areas, so you can come down here and have picnics, barbecues. They do have a war memorial down here at the park. This is from the in Asia, or the Corregidor Memorial for all the Americans that died in the Second World War at the hands of the Japanese. Here's another kids play area. There's quite a few of them in this park, and they have the sunshades. Also, this park is only 2 blocks from the Sunrail station in downtown Kissimmee. So if you rode the Sunrail train here, you can get off at the Kissimmee station, just walk 2 blocks, and you'll be right here at this park. So it's really easy to get to. Then if you walk from that marina where I was, where I parked, all the way down to the end down here, as far as it goes down to Neptune Road, it's about a mile and a mile back, so a 2-mile round trip. So it's a nice little walk or ride your bike. So they do have this area sometimes where they set up a band live to have live music. This would be their stage. And then there's a nice big green area, park area here. So it should go without saying that you shouldn't swim out here or bring paddle boards or little boats out here, because there are alligators in this lake. I've seen them on my previous occasions that I've been here. I haven't seen any today, but they are pretty big, so don't be going into the water. And if you like this video, please like it, subscribe to it, because I'll be posting more of the Central Florida area here soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.